I can converse. I'm not terribly fluent in Yiddish, but when I can speak Yiddish, it's amachaya. Let's see, I once made a trip to near Madison, stayed in a hotel, and there were some ultra-Orthodox people there with payas and shaitel and everything. And I started a conversation with Yiddish, and I was thrilled. I went with my daughter at that time. I told her all about it, and I told others, look whom I met in such a distant place. Nobody would think, no Chassid would think of going there, but I found him there. Or when on the trip coming to the States, we stopped for just a little bit at a port up the coast, Halifax, Nova Scotia. And I went ashore, and I walked through the streets, and there was a store, and the storekeeper was just standing outside, waiting for customers to come by. He happened to be Jewish. And we spoke in Yiddish, although we could have spoken in English as well, English territory. But it does something to me. It touches on a nerve that says, this you're familiar with. This is like home.